Vanakkam everyone, this is Dr. Priyadarshini and I welcome you all to another Fatafat lecture. Today we are going to learn cephalometrics. I have divided cephalometrics into 3 separate videos based on the topics landmarks in cephalometrics, lines and planes and analysis. So today we are going to learn landmarks in cephalometrics. Landmarks in cephalometrics are basically divided into anatomical and derived. The name is self-explanatory. So we will be learning those landmarks in clockwise. So starting from nasion till PTM point. Okay. So let us start the lecture. Nasion. Nasion is the anterior most point on the frontonasal suture. Okay. Orbital. Orbital is the lowermost point on the orbital floor. ANS. Anterior nasal spine. This is the sharpest process of the maxilla. And straight opposite to that is the PNS. We cannot see it outside because it is inside. Okay. So PNS is the distalmost part of the ANS. So like that. Next comes the point A. Point A is also known as subspinally because below the spine. So this forms the junction between ANS and the alveolar crest of the maxilla which is present between the central incisors. So next comes the point B. Point B is somewhere here. This forms the junction between again alveolar crest of the mandible and the mental process of the mandible. So point B is also known as supramentally. Okay. So next comes pogonion. Pogonion is the anterior most point on the bony chin, and menton. Menton is the inferior most point on the symphysis of the mandible. Here comes nation. Nation is a derived landmark. So it is formed by a line drawn perpendicular to another line joining the pogonion and menton. So a line is drawn like this and it intersects the line joining pogonion and menton. So here somewhere here will be the nation. Next comes gonion. Gonion is somewhere here. This is also a derived landmark which is formed by the intersection of ramal plane and the mandibular plane. So ramus plane and the mandibular plane forms the gonion here. Next comes articular. Articular is formed by the intersection of posterior border of the ramus and the inferior border of the occipital bone. Next is basion. Basion is the midpoint on the anterior border of foramen magnum. We all know foramen magnum is the largest hole in the base of the skull. Okay. So that is basion. Next is Bolton's point. Bolton's point. Remember the O in Bolton's point. O resembles occipital bone. So this point is present in the occipital bone. It is the highest point on the condylar notch of the occipital bone. So that is Bolton's point. Next is Porion. Porion is the highest point on the external acoustic meatus. Okay, that is Porion. Next comes Sella. Sella forms the midpoint of the sella turcica or the pituitary fossa. Next is PTM point. That is the last one. Okay, PTM is nothing but pterygomaxillary point, which forms the intersection between the pterygomaxillary fissure, that is the posterior wall of pterygomaxillary fissure, and the inferior border of foramen rotundum. This is the landmarks on the skull, that is the hard tissue. There are few soft tissue landmarks also there, like glabella here, the glabella, and the pronasally, the most anterior part on the soft tissue on the nose, that is pronasally. Like that there are few soft tissue landmarks also, but we don't need that much. No? Hard tissue landmarks is more than enough. Okay, so let us say out those landmarks alone. Nasion, orbital, ANS, point A or subspinal, point B or supramentine, pogonion, menton, nation, gonion, and articular, basion. Corrected, it is basion. Sorry, I forgot. So basion and Bolton's point, then Porion, Sella, PTM point. I left out PNS itself. Okay, so these are the landmarks in cephalometrics. Thank you.